So, hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Wikipedia channel. And today we are gonna learn about how we can set up a free Salesforce Developer Edition org. Basically, a Salesforce Developer Edition org is a Salesforce platform which is provided by Salesforce for us for Salesforce enthusiasts who are learning the Salesforce things. So they can sign up on this platform. This is a kind of a playground where they can get their hands dirty through whatever they have learned, and they can implement the Salesforce functionalities and features they have been learning. So it's actually a great tool provided by Salesforce for free to learn the things and to implement the things. So what we are going to do, we are quickly going to set up our Salesforce free developer edition org in 2026. So for setting up the things, like first of all, like if you can see this website, this is a developer's website which is provided by Salesforce. Here we will get the latest update, whatever the events happening by Salesforce, multiple events, and we have proper documentation. We will get the community portal here, and the latest updates, whatever has been happening from Salesforce side, we can get an update here. So all developers, as per my suggestion, they should repeatedly keep visiting this website. Okay, so all things apart, like let's dive into it, and we will set up our Salesforce Developer Edition org. So for doing so, we can simply type down Salesforce sign up. Okay, it will take us to this website again. Okay, Salesforce Developer. If you see, I often visit this site. Okay, so once I go to this website, here we will have this link: sign up for Salesforce Developer Edition org. Okay, if I click on this link, it will open a new form. Okay, which will ask for my details, and where it will provide it will ask for details, and we can simply type down the details, and we can have our Salesforce Developer Edition org. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill these details. Okay, and so guys, this work email, make sure that you know we are providing the correct email, because it's the same email where we are gonna get the uh, login link and are the credentials. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly type down sign me up, and it will take us to this page where it will say that keep checking the emails, you will receive email soon. Also guys, like make sure, if you are not receiving the email in inbox, make sure to check the spam folder. There are high chances that this sign up email may go to the spam. So we will quickly roll back once I have received the email, and we will continue the setup from there. So yeah guys, as you can see, I have received the email. Okay, uh, subject will be welcome to Salesforce and reset your password. So here what we will get, we will basically get the link to if you can see here, it's giving me the username. Earlier what used to happen, we had the privilege to choose our username by default, but now Salesforce is doing that, it's providing the username by himself. And if you can see, this is the org, like this is the URL of my org, my personal developer org. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly click on this reset password. Okay, and I can reset my password here, so that I can have my own username and password to log into this org and play around it. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly type down the password here, and make sure that you are including a capital letter and you know uh, a number and a special character. Okay, so this is I'm gonna type California. Okay, and I click on this change password. So as soon as I'm doing this, it will change my password, and it will directly log in me to the my developer edition org. So yeah guys, if you can see, there is an app created by default named developer edition. Okay, and this is how the welcome page will look. I guess it's loading, and we'll get some dashboards on our website. So yeah guys, this was it about Salesforce Developer Edition org. And as I told, like everything is so good about this. We do get some governor limits, and but yeah, it should be sufficient for a guy who is learning Salesforce and trying to implement Salesforce functionalities. Okay, so I'll take off here, guys, and hope you see in the next video. Thank you.